Hello, hi, we have another crochet with me. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Happy to have you again. We have another project. Yeah, I'm on a tapestry crochet kick right now. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's in the air. I'm really just loving it. So I was trying to think like what next project I wanted to do, and I wanted to do something book related because I have a lot of books. I read a lot of books. My last one was specific to like finding something for an area in my room that I needed to put something on, but this one we don't really have a dimension in mind. It was more so just I wanted to create something book related. I have the idea already. I've already created the pattern. I just printed it out and we're gonna get started on like working on it and seeing how it turns out. But I was trying to think of something book related. This idea sparked from a couple things. One, I was looking up like book crochet tapestry, book crochet like signs, book signs, just like book related stuff. And then I came across one that was like read more books, and it was like a little bookmark that said read more books with a stack of books, and I was like, that is so cute, but I don't really want a sign that says read more books. So I was like, what else can I think of? And then I got the idea actually from talking to some man on a dating app, and it's something that I've ran across multiple times when talking to men on these apps. When you tell them that you read, they're like, oh, that's cool, and then they have like a few answers that they usually all have like the same 3 answers, but one of them is usually, do you actually read or do you just read like smut? Right. So if you're anything like me and you read, and you do read smut along with non-smut, but still smut is book. Smut is in book, book is book, okay? Just because there's smut in a book does not mean it's not a book. So I got this, the ideas meshed together. It was late at night. I was having a lapse in judgment. I was on one of those stupid apps, okay? And this guy said this, and I was like, and he said, you should read more books. And I said, you should read more smut. And then it clicked. Read more smut. That is what's going to be on the tapestry, okay? So I liked the concept of like a stack of books, so I did put a stack of books on it, and instead of doing a long one like our last tapestry was, it's going to be more like a vertical banner, like a tall one. And I'm thinking of where to put it, but for now that's just like the way I envisioned it. It was 3 words stacked on top of each other, kind of like stacked like a stack of books, and then the stack of books underneath. Anyway, I played around with it, finally figured out the chart. So it says read more smut, which is like so awesome. And before I did all that, I did look on Etsy and just did like a Google search to see if I could find a sign that like this that already exists, but I couldn't. And also I couldn't search the word smut on Pinterest. Apparently there's a new guideline now, so I don't know, but I couldn't find a tapestry that said read more smut in the way I was envisioning it, the vertical lines with the stacked books. So I created my own, and we're gonna do it. Now, when I first created the pattern, I realized the colors that I picked for the chart, I didn't have all of them, so I had to play around with it. First of all, I made the pattern, and then I was like, I don't want to buy any yarn for this, so let's use what we have, because this year I don't want to buy any yarn this year. Yes, I bought 3 pack of oatmeal colored yarn for the other video, but that's the only yarn I ever bought, and we're not doing it anymore this year. I cleaned my craft room since then and realized I have plenty of yarn. So if I'm gonna make something, we're doing a whole no-buy year for craft supplies and yarn. No buy. All of 2026, starting last week. So, and it's January something right now, like 16th or 17th. So anyway, no buy. So I went through what colors I did have, and I had to like change. Sorry, I literally sneezed like 6 times. Anyway, I had to go through the colors that I had chosen and the colors that I do have with me and change some. So like I had to change the book cover colors and like the page color, just a bunch of colors until I made it look good and also match colors I already had stashed from other projects. So no buy. How many colors did we end up with? We ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This project has 8 different colors. All of them are Red Heart Super Saver. Just so you know, if you are wanting to recreate this like for word, the colors that you're gonna need are all Red Heart Super Saver, white, black, frosty green, gold, burgundy, medium purple, light raspberry, and oatmeal. Okay, also they'll be in the pattern. So if you're new here, what I like to do is I get an idea, I create the pattern, then I pull you along in the process of crocheting the whole thing, seeing if there are any mistakes, see if there's any adjustments I need to make to the pattern, and then finalizing the project and uploading the pattern. And if at any moment along the way you're like, oh, I want to make this as well, or I want to make this along with her, I will have the pattern linked in the description box. If all goes well and this ends up being a pattern I post, then it'll be linked in the description box below so you can make one too. So let's get started with our 5mm hook and our weight 4 yarn. Feel free to substitute any of these colors with colors you want, by the way. Okay, we are on row 32. So I finished the stack of books part. Does it look like a stack of books? I think it does. We have like open book, and then it's just like the spine, and then an open book, and then a spine, and then an open book, and then I'm gonna have some white rows, and then the words will start. I wanted it to kind of be similar to a bookmark, which is why its width is like the size of my hand, and the length, the height of it's gonna be longer. And the words are gonna be stacked, so it'll be like read more smut, like 3 words on top of each other, since they all have the same amount of letters. So I was hoping it would look nice, but I'm gonna keep going. Now I'm gonna get into the words of it. But how do we like this color combo? I only worked with the colors I had on hand, so, but I think it's okay. So also, if you are using the pattern, I'm using a soft white. The pattern says white, but I'm using a soft white because that's all I had. So if your white looks a little different, that's why. Okay, so let me show you how far we got last night. I got through all of like the other colors. All that's left is black and white. So we did the whole stack of books. I started the first letter. Okay, you can read that. Is that the right way you put an S? Yeah, it is. Okay. I saw it in the reflection backwards and I was like, that's not right. But the books look like a stack of books. I'm actually really proud of how that turned out. And the words are readable. So we just have 2 more words, and then the back is super messy. So a lot of the work is going to be focusing on just cleaning up the back and just gluing it all down. So I'm hopefully going to get this crocheted today, and then we can work on the back. Guys, I went to the dentist this morning. I have cavity. I have 3 cavities. You know what? I blame gum. I started chewing gum more, and it's not sugar-free. That's probably why, but I got a cleaning this morning, so my mouth is so sore, and they poked my gums, so I'm not in a good mood, but it's fine. Also, I've been watching Supernatural again. I stopped because I started watching Animal Kingdom, and I finished Animal Kingdom all the way through. Now I'm back on Supernatural. I got the DVDs, so I don't, because it's not on Netflix anymore. Got the DVDs. I'm on season 13, episode 17. So I'm almost on season 13. I have 2 more seasons left. Don't spoil anything in the comments, please. I've managed to avoid spoilers for the ending and everything. Like, I don't have any spoilers. Don't spoil anything for me. I'm really excited to finish it. Maybe I'll finish it before the end of this video. Doubt it. I have 2 full seasons left, but you'll hear from me when I do finish it. Also, if you're not already following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. I post a lot over there. I post on my story over there. There we go. The banner is done. I put the dowels on. I did have to like cut it, so it's a little raw right here, but I put the little dowels on. Now we have to flip it over and clean up this mess, and then glue a fabric backing to it so it doesn't move at all, and then it's got to sit. So I'll show you what fabric we end up finding. Okay, so if you're new here, I just put a bunch of Elmer's glue on the back, and then I put a piece of fabric that fits. For this one, I had some scrap of this really cute white with red and pink hearts, and I just cut it to leave a little bit of a gap on all the edges of the project. And then I have these that I use a lot for projects like this because they're heavy enough. So there's glue on the back between the fabric, and then these are gonna sit overnight, probably 24 hours. I usually let them sit 24 hours. So I'll see you guys in 24 hours, and then we can add some hot glue on the edges for extra support, and then do a little reveal. Okay, it's the next day. It's done drying, so I'm just gonna take some hot glue and go around the edge of the entire thing, and then we can hang it up. So this is the final look of our, I'm like literally, I sound like an announcer. I finished it. I actually love it. I think it's very cute. I love the stack of books. Read more smut, people. It's an announcement. Also, I like the size of it. I like that it's not too big. This is like my hand for scale. It's about the size of like 2.5 of my hands. But I like the size of it. I feel like the projects I do are always really, really big. And this one's perfect size. So I like it. And I don't know where I'm gonna hang it. Probably like something right there, maybe up there. I gotta look around for space, but this is, yeah. So if you like it and you want to make one too, I'll leave the pattern linked in the description box below. And thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.